guys. We are heading out of Lost Mountain Shelter, heading to mile marker 500 today, up into Grayson Highlands to see the ponies. It's gonna be a great day, so let's keep moving. Man, it's been a climb, dude. We still got a little bit to go to get to Buzzard Rock. Hey, first thing in the morning, I had no coffee. I'm tired. Ooh, let's keep moving. Love these trees. Check it out, guys. I love it when we get to certain areas like this. We start seeing these types of trees. It's so beautiful. And the moss, the light coming through. You can't beat it, guys. This place is beautiful. Oh, man. Oh, we got an arrow. We've got trail magic. Oh, we heard about this. We heard about it. Guess what, guys? It's this way. It's happening. Oh, snap. Hello. How's everyone doing? Awesome. I'm starving. All right, guys, we're about to hit Grayson Highlands State Park, as you can see behind me. But that sign was not lying. They had some trail magic. I had me a pancake and some sodas and all kinds of good stuff. So the trail does provide, man. We heard about it yesterday. We're like, maybe they'll be there when we get to the trailhead, and sure enough, it happens. So good things happen on the AT, so let's keep moving. Okay. That's my pancake, baby. Already had one, gonna get another. Thanks to Chef here. Yeah! Bear boxes. Heck yeah. These camp spots are the bomb. Alright, guys. 500 miles. A year ago, my buddy and I hiked up here with Janelle, and we camped out right there. Caught one of the most excellent views. This place is awesome. Here we are, guys. Grayson Highlands. What a beautiful place. As you can see, the clouds are starting to roll in a little bit, but nothing but sunshine over here. Alright, alright, alright. We just came from an area called Fat Man Squeeze. I did a short on that if you're interested. Otherwise, let's keep moving. So we're here. We're trying to get to the Wise Shelter. Not too much further to go. All right, guys, Grayson Highlands would not be the Grayson Highlands without, look at those guys. Alright guys, this guy right here, if you're watching my videos, he was in last year's video. He gets all the attention. Blondes have more fun. Look at that. Alright, so that's that. We just hiked through Grayson Highlands. Still got some miles to go inside of this area, but it was a beautiful day. So if you found any value in this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and send me your comments as I do respond. As always, thanks for watching, but until next time, let's keep moving.